Do you guys know that Shopify has its own AI sidekick? And आज मैं आपको इसे यूज करके बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप इंस्टेंट एंड वेरी क्रिएटिव इमेजेस निकाल सकते हो एंड आपके प्रोडक्ट को यूज कर सकते हो. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So let's go. First select and go to this tab Shopify. Log in, and then what you have to do is you have to come here. What you have to do is you have to just click here in the products. Okay, and then जो भी आपके products है, they will appear here like this. These are the products which we already have. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this little icon over here, and you need to just give it the image of the product you want to add. Let's say we have to pick this one. Okay, I'll copy this one and I'll paste it here and ask it. So what I want is that, can you please add this as a new product and understand what this product should call of this, with all the headline, all the title, all the description. Don't use emojis, don't use indices, and don't. It should not be feels like AI powered. You have to do this thing, and what also you can do is you have to click on this and you can add the skills here. So let's say I can add the skill of humanizer, and I will share this link with you. Humanizer skill. So I have this skill over here. I'll copy the text from here. I will give this text to you, don't worry, and I'll paste it here. Okay, and I'll save it, and I'll ask it to not use. ये क्या करेगा ना, ये वाली स्किल यूज करने पे वो एआई जैसा नहीं लिखेगा. So use the humanizer skill and don't write like AI. So देखो मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट का लिंक दिया है and also I gave this text. अब देखो ये आपके लिए क्रिएट कर रहा है न्यू प्रोडक्ट. ओके, ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट ऐड कर दिया इसने. तो अब हम इसको बोलेंगे कैन यू प्लीज क्रिएट ऑल images which can improve the possibilities of this item to be sold. Like I want all the angles, photo shots for this, along with the front, the back, the close-up shot, and all the type of shots. First, list down all the type of shots which is essential, because you have all the database of how people are using most effective products, of what things we are selling, like that. So can you please list down that thing, and then we will create all the images possible for this product. And also keep in mind that do not change a single thing on the product. I want the product for all the images should be same, because that's our main SKU and we don't want to change that thing. Okay, so this way I gave the complete prompt to it, and now what it will do, it will generate the text for or the image for us. First of all, it's listing all the things like product shots, front view, flat layer, hanger, back view, close up of fabric texture, and there's 11 images total. All AI will feature the exact same. सो ओके, मैंने इसको ये प्रॉम्प्ट दे दी, ताकि इस तरह से प्रॉम्प्ट देने से क्या होता है कि ये एआई जनरेटेड जो एआई स्लोप इमेजेस होती है जिसको देख के पता चल जाता है कि ये एआई है, वो नहीं चलता है. इससे हमारी काफ़ी जेनरिक और अच्छी इमेजेस आती है. लेट्स वेट फॉर सम फ्यू सेकेंड्स एंड we'll see how great the photo will be. So it's creating the photos, you can see over the screen. Oh, you can see here the image is there and the model is looking so nice. But what we want is that at least there should be some, it should be feels natural. Currently it feels like, still feels like AI generated, but still that's the back view, the front view is there, the strip check, you can see the close-up thing. These things are so nice. And this image in the natural, we don't want, if let's say if you want the best prompts, so what you can do, you can open the OpenAI or ChatGPT or your any preferred AI tool, paste the image over there and ask it, okay, use this reference image and I want you to give me the prompt so that instead of the outfit the girl wearing in the reference image, I want you to write in the prompt the girl should wear this outfit of us. मैंने ऐसे prompt दिए. Now I will go to Pinterest and we need girl, okay? Girls playing outdoor aesthetic. You can search anything. So you like this, you can see. Now I'm loving this photo, okay? I'll copy this thing and I'll ask when I'll paste the photo over there. It will give us the complete prompt. You can just copy this thing from here and we go to this thing. We'll paste it here, the prompt and the product of us. Oh my God, you can see guys, our dress is there and she's wearing it very, very powerful way. Okay, I have just one more thing. What I want is that it should feel like she's hiding or saving herself from the sunlight. So she's putting the one hand like a human do while stopping the sunlight coming on her face. This way it feels natural. So can you do that on this image? Yes, this is something nice. You can see this way you can do it. Okay, can you please save all the photos in our this product? Now it will add all the images over there in our product. Here you will see. ये बहुत हमारे लिए आसान हो गया ना यहाँ पे जनरेट करना. अगर आप ये वाली इमेज देखोगे तो लुकिंग नाइस. अगर आप फिर से पहले प्रॉम्प्ट में अच्छा नहीं आता है बट यू कैन इफ यू विल click and generate you are able to do the things, okay? And this way you can see guys, I want this to be in the front or this one to be in the front and that's our second image. Just remove this one also and this way you can add all the images. आपको बस इससे बात करनी है एआई से. जस्ट टेक इट एज योर रेगुलर एआई जो आपका चैट जीपीटी जेमिनाई जो भी होगा उसी तरह लो, बस ये और मोर पावरफुल है. अगर आपको बता ही दिया मैंने कैसे करना है. सो यू कैन सी द वे वी आर यूजिंग दिस थिंग. It's like it's good one. And let's say if you want it to be black and white. Okay. What I want is that this complete picture should be black and white. Only the outfits he's wearing should be exact same in color. Photo in much way manner. Because इससे हमारा focus और अच्छा हो जाएगा हमारे product का. And one more thing, let's say you want to repeat things again and again. Let's say you want to repeat this thing. So you can just add this to skill. Okay. And you will again ask it and then it will generate it later. Oh my God, this is good. Even this feels so natural. I'm gonna add this thing. One more idea I have in my mind. What I want is that uh, her mother is giving flowers to her, a bouquet of flowers to her, and she's so happy, excited that her mother brought her some flowers. And what I want here is that everything in the background should be black and white. Only, even her mother's outfit should also black and white. Only the outfit she is wearing should be exact same color as we have. And also, the girl's body should not be black and white. Her body should be natural. The color skin tone is also natural. So guys, it's all about the prompting and the idea. Imagination is your power. If you use that, and you don't have to use even that also. You will come here and let's say you love any in the Pinterest you come and you can just bring any photo. Let's say I'm loving this photo. I'll just grabbing this image over here. I'll go to GPT And also, okay, we give GPT this prompt and the image it is created is so good. You guys can see. Now I want is that that outfit should be in this photo. Okay, so that was our outfit. Okay, we want this and says this way we want the current outfit of the girl with our outfit, and it will create this thing. It will change this girl's outfit with this outfit of us. And you can see हम कैसे अभी ये prompt दिया है इसने. Now I'll just ask it कि तो create it. It will create, but we want this prompt so that our AI will also generate. And you guys can see this is so good, guys. She is wearing our clothing. Everything is black and white, and the product of us is only visible. This is our image. The prompt which I gave, and let's wait that how it will create it. एंड आप देख सकते हो कि कितनी प्यारी हमारी आउटफिट के साथ में फोटो आई है गाइस. सेव करो इसे यहाँ से, कम टू हियर, अपलोड इट हियर, एंड ये आपकी इमेज ऐड हो गई. आप देख सकते हो इसे. ये हमारी इमेज है जो कि कितनी अच्छी लग रही है, कितनी सुंदर लग रही है. दिस वे वी कैन डू. एंड ऑल्सो हमने इसे भी बोला था एंड इसने भी जनरेट किया है, बट ये थोड़ा एआई जनरेटेड लग रहा है. यू गाइस इजीली कैन सी, बट स्टिल यू कैन गुड टू गो. अगर जितनी रिफाइंड प्रॉम्प्ट होगी तो ये वाली और अच्छे से बना के दे देगा. आप यहाँ से आपकी जो भी फोटोज है आप ऐड कर लो. I'll add them. I'll add this one also. I'll not add this one, and just copy it. Now you have to add the quantity, which is I have 500, and this way it's active product, and save it. You have to save it. तो आपको प्रोडक्ट तो आपने सेव कर लिया. ये प्रोडक्ट आपकी लिस्टिंग में दिख जाएगा अगर आप जाके देखोगे. तो जब आप अपनी थीम, आपकी जो वेबसाइट है उस पर जाओगे तो आप इसे देख पाओगे. लेट्स से हमारी वेबसाइट ये है. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दिस इज आवर वेबसाइट. एंड आप अगर किसी के भी स्क्रॉल करते हो तो अभी लेटेस्ट प्रोडक्ट हमारा ये रहा. वाओ, अभी जो हमने ऐड किया था दिस इज आवर प्रोडक्ट. एंड हम इसे क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं सारे इमेजेस जो हमने जनरेट कराए हैं.